Hi, it's Dr. Saab. Sorry for the shades. It's very sunny out, so I'm just going to quickly show you this feature. Now, this question came up from a viewer. They can't change the presets view. Now, I'll show you what that means. This video is perfect if you own this type of screen and you have these kind of graphics for your sat nav. So if it looks something like this, then this is perfect for you, this video. What you need to do first is go to your radio in your Mercedes. So right now they are stuck on only their radio station preset, so you can see it's not finding any other radio stations. So when you see radio station presets, that means you can only see your preset radio stations. Now, to change this view, what you need to do is go to your rotary dial, push all the way down. And when you push all the way down, you now have some options. Now, all you want to do is get to preset, push this down, and now you can see we now have the option of station presets view on. If I give that a press, now it's searching for every radio station available on FM, and it's back to normal. So if you want the presets on again, and all you do is push down on the rotary dial, click on preset, click on station presets view off, give that a press the rotary dial in, and then it's now on. And now I can only see my presets, my radio station presets. Let me know in the comments if you find that useful. Now, you also can save a current station as a preset as well, and you can edit it. So let's go to preset, and if I click on edit, I can change a number around if I want to. And you'll notice there's an option on the right. Now, if I move this rotary dial to the right, I now get a new option, and I can save it as a current station, or I can move it. So if I want to move the number, I can move it as number 1 if I want to. So if I give that a press, or set it at 0, give that a press, and now that's saved as 0. So that's how you can customize these presets as well, which is quite useful. Now, if you want to delete one, you can delete as well if you want to. Or if you found a radio station and you want to save it, just click on write and save it. So let's show you how to save one as well. So you can see I'm stuck on radio station presets. If I switch that off, let's say I want to save this one. Now, to save this one, all I'll do is push this all the way down, push and hold the button, and now you can see I've got all my presets. And if I want to override one, I can, and then push down to save to override it. But if I want to save as number 14, go to 14, push the rotary dial down, and now that's saved as number 14. You can see on the top left corner, that's saved as number 14. Now when I'm using the radio, if I select 0 while the radio's playing, if I give that a press, just give it a second, you can see it's changed to my radio station for 0. And then if I want 14, put 14 in, and you can see it's gone to my preset radio. How good is that? Now, wave bands as well, you can choose from AFM or AM. Information is quite cool, so you can see what that radio station's about, maybe what is actually playing. So you've got that information, and then from here you can set the equalizer and the balance fader. If you want to search for a radio station, you can search for a radio station as well. And then options, this allows you some other options. And TA, if you want traffic announcements, select that. If you don't like that, just make sure that's unticked. But if you do like having traffic announcements, make sure that's ticked. I'm going to untick it because I actually tend to use Waze as my sat nav, and I tend to use Apple CarPlay. But frequency entry, you can enter it manually as well. Current station channel list, and you can see you've got categories as well, which is quite cool. Sort station list, and you can have it from genre or alphabetical order. Now you might be wondering, what is ABC 1, 2, 3 and what is genre? Now genre, if I show you, basically these radio stations, they're in actually genre order. So you'll notice certain radio stations are categorized. Now they're in basically random order, that's how I think, but my wife might prefer this because she's got all her pop kind of related radio stations grouped together, and then you've got your like chat shows kind of grouped together. But options, let's go back to options, go to sort station list. I prefer to use ABC 1, 2, 3, and that's where now all the radio stations are in alphabetical order. Now for me, I think this is much easier for me to find my radio stations that I like to listen to. Let me know in the comments, what do you prefer? Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or suggestions. Hope you found this video useful. Please subscribe, as it really helps me out. Also like the video and comment if you have any suggestions. Also check out the playlists to learn more about the Mercedes models. I also have other playlists which covers certain specific models, so check out that playlist if you want to learn more about your model. Thank you for watching this video.